Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
In the next session, I want to tell you about my vacation. My vacation goes to South Sumatra or Palembang, and I vacation with my friend. Or I live on Wednesday night at 8 p.m. and from Tanjung Karang station until Kertapati station, and after ride in Kertapati station, I want to go eating to restaurant in Palembang, and I'm eating mitoar. Mitoar is typical food. It's typical food in Palembang city, and at 10 o'clock I want to go hotel, and oh yeah I want to vacation for my friend. Oh yeah, for Mr. Tunip.
Oh yeah, Mr. Ahmad.
Mr. Tunip, what do you think about Palembang City?
I think Palembang is a great one province that Indonesia that we can find over there the bridge famous one. So I think this is the way this is the something that people attract people to come Palembang.
Thank you. And I'm one more question for Deborah. Deborah, what the differences between Lampung, and Palembang City?
The food, in Palembang, the traditional food is pempek, and in Lampung, keripik pisang. Yeah,
Enough.
enough. That's all.
Thank you. Okay, and 10 o'clock, I want to go most important place in Palembang City, example Musi River and Ampera Bridge and Museum of South Sumatra. And in Palembang, I vacation with my friend only 2 days, but my vacation is very exciting in Palembang because Palembang the big city, and Palembang is clean city, and this is my vacation in Palembang city. Thank you. That's enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.